Hi, I'm Belle from Gardening Express, and these are our 4 top tips to maintaining your garden fence this spring. Firstly, check over your fence for any damage. The winter weather might have caused some decay or stability issues, so there might be some repairs that you need to do. If there are some very damaged panels, they might just need to be replaced. Now you know your fence is up to scratch, prepare the area around it by mowing the grass, clearing away weeds, and laying a tarp down to protect the surrounding grass and plants from paint. Clear your fence to remove any dirt that might have settled there over winter. If you have a pressure washer, that's perfect to clean off any grime or lichen. If not, just scrub it with some water and a sponge. Make sure it's dried completely and then apply a pre-treatment or primer to the wood on both sides. Once that's also dried, apply your chosen paint or stain. If you want to add some wildlife-friendly features to your fences, you can make a little hole in the bottom to let hedgehogs in, or hang up birdhouses or feeders. For any more information about plants and gardening, be sure to check out the other videos and articles on our website. Thanks for watching and enjoy your garden.